Okay, we're back on Workshop Handyman, and we're going to get a call from a tenant of mine, and they say that when they go to start this oven up, they try to go to bake, and it says it's locked, and they can't get it off of that door locked. So we're going to go ahead and show the easy fix on this and how to fix it. This is a GE range. There's a lot of them out there. Look like this. All we need to do is we're going to pick this up. It just picks up. There's a little legs that stand underneath here. Just kind of set those up, and that kind of holds it in place. And then we'll need a Allen wrench. It's a fairly small little guy. I don't know. It's probably something like a 3/32 or something. And we just unscrew it from this little screw right here. Unscrew that. Once you get that unscrewed, you pull this off, and then you see all this insulation in here. You have to look in there. You just kind of pull that stuff out of the way, and right there's your switch, and that's the little switch that gets stuck with all that insulation around it. Sometimes it'll actually get built up on it. As you can see, as you go to do your door lock, it keeps moving that insulation probably back over into the switch, and it gets hung up. So now we got that off, we'll go ahead and test it. And we hit bake. And it comes right on and does not go to lock. So it's ready to go. So that's all you have to do to get that fixed. We'll go ahead and kind of get that insulation moved out of the way a little bit. Put the cover back on it. And we'll close her on up. That should take care of the tenant's problem. Catch you on the next one. Hope it was helpful.